Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be covering 30 most important books and authors for the year 2020. Friends, you must be aware that books and authors is a very important general awareness topic, and in every competitive exams you get at least one or two questions based on this topic. So I strongly recommend that you watch this video attentively in order to secure those precious marks. Now, before we move on to the books and authors questions and answers, first of all, I would like to familiarize you with the types of questions that can be asked from this topic. Type 1, this is a pretty straightforward type of question where you have to answer that who is the author of XYZ book. Type 2, it is the exact inverse of type 1 where you have to answer that XYZ author has written which book. Type 3, this kind of questions you will be asked that which pair of book and author is correct or incorrect. Type 4, these questions will be slightly of advanced nature where you will be given a list of book titles and you will have to match it against the name of the authors. So I hope you are clear with the types of questions. Now let's move on to the books and authors 2020 questions and answers. Question 1. Which Bollywood actor is the author of the book Your Best Day Is Today? Here are the options. The correct answer is Anupam Kher. Question 2. Which of the following book has been written by veteran economist and bureaucrat N.K. Singh? These are the options. The correct answer is Portraits of Power. Question 3. Which of the following pairs of books and author is correct? Here are the options. The correct answer is The Battle of Belonging, which has been written by Shashi Tharoor. Next question. Who is the author of the book Kitchens of Gratitude? Here are the options. The correct answer is Chef Vikas Khanna. Question 5. Who recently released the book titled The Shaurya Unbound, Tales of Valor of the Central Reserve Police Force? Here are the options. The correct answer is Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following book has been written by historian Romila Thapar? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Voices of Dissent. Question 7. Which of the following pairs of books and author is correct? These are the options. The correct answer is C. Azadi, Freedom, Fascism and Fiction, which has been written by Arundhati Roy. Question 8. Who is the author of the book My Life in Design? Here are the options. The correct answer is Gauri Khan. Question 9. Which of the following book has been written by Chetan Bhagat? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is One Arranged Murder. Question 10. Which book was launched by Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? Here are the options. The correct answer is Bapu the Unforgettable. Question 11. Which of the following pairs of books and author is correct? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Our Only Home, A Climate Appeal to the World, which has been written by Dalai Lama and Franz Alt. Question 12. Who is the author of the book Quest for Restoring Financial Stability in India? Here are the options. The correct answer is Viral Acharya. Friends, it is to be noted that Viral Acharya is the former Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Question 13. Which of the following book has been written by Union External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar? Here are the options. The correct answer is The India Way, Strategies for an Uncertain World. Question 14. Which of the following pairs of books and authors is correct? Here are the options. The correct answer is Song of India by Ruskin Bond. Question 15. Which of the following book was recently released by Indian Army Chief General M.M. Narwane? Here are the options. The correct answer is National Security Challenges, Young Scholars' Perspective. Question 16. Who is the author of the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Urjit Patel. It is to be noted that Urjit Patel is the former Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Question 17. Which of the following book is written by Shobha De? The correct answer is Lockdown Liaisons. Question 18. Who is the author of the book The Ikabog? Here are the options. The correct answer is J.K. Rowling. Now friends, if you remember, J.K. Rowling is the author of the Harry Potter series books. Question 19. Which of the following pairs of books and author is correct? The correct answer is The Art of Her Deal, The Untold Story of Melania Trump, which has been written by Mary Jordan. Question 20. Which of the following book is a chronicle of Vice President of India Venkaiah Naidu's 3 years in office? Here are the options. The correct answer is Connecting, Communicating, Changing. Question 21. Who among the following recently released a book titled Chronicles of Change Champions? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani. Question 22. Book titled Karma Yodha Granth, which was recently released by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, is based on life of. The correct answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question 23. Who is the author of the novel Shuggie Bain, which won the 2020 Booker Prize? The correct answer is Douglas Stewart. Question 24. Who is the author of world's first Science-Toon book entitled Bye Bye Corona? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Dr. Pradeep Srivastava. Question 25. Which book was officially launched by Union Minister of Jal Shakti Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and Union Minister of Textiles and Women and Child Development Smriti Irani? The correct answer is the Swachh Bharat Revolution. Question 26. Which of the following book has been written by politician Yogendra Yadav? The answer is Making Sense of Indian Democracy. Question 27. Who is the author of the book Amazing Ayodhya? Here are the options. The correct answer is Neena Rai. Question 28. Which of the following pairs of books and author is correct? The answer is R.A.W. Rao, A History of India's Covert Operations, which has been written by Yatish Yadav. Question 29. Who is the author of the book Grandma's Bag of Stories? Here are the options. The correct answer is Sudha Murthy. Question 30. This will be the last question for this quiz. Shuttling to the Top by V. Krishnaswamy is the story of which sportsperson? Here are the options. The correct answer is PV Sindhu. Friends, as I mentioned earlier, that this is a very important topic and you can expect at least 1 or 2 questions from this topic. So I would strongly suggest that you can download this entire quiz, and the link to download the PDF file has been provided in the description box. So just go ahead and download the PDF and memorize these books and authors for 2020. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.